Hello and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. Today we're going to be opening up the October RPG crate. Before I get to opening it, I have a question for you guys. Do you prefer me to be wearing the t-shirt as I show you what else is in the box, or would you rather have me take the shirt out and show you? Let me know in the comments and I'll start doing it that way if I get enough response from it. But for now, I'm wearing my nice little hoodie, Black Magic Craft, guys. It's probably gonna be the last video I'm gonna do out here in my garage. I'm probably gonna be moving this into the house, so I don't know what I'm doing with the background. I might just totally get rid of it for the year, or at least for the winter. But anyways, let's get to it. So here we go. Open it up. So first we have the card for MourneWater Manor. We'll come back to this. This is the Season 4 crate number 39, guys. Okay, here is our t-shirt. Now this looks pretty badass, I'd say. But that's it. It looks like a, almost looks like something from World of Warcraft. It's almost like a necromancer or some kind of wizard, but that's pretty cool. I like that. That's nice. That's definitely going to be a shirt I will definitely be wearing. Okay, let's see. Where do I want to go next? We'll go with our miniature from Effing Cool Miniatures. And this looks like a pretty simple miniature. I don't have to put it together. And this is looks like a skeleton kind of pointing at you. He's got a sword. It looks like he's commanding something. There's got to be a little bit more to it than it just being a skeleton, I hope. But we'll come back to that if we have to. So next we have our card. This is our recipe card normally. And this one is the Mastery of the Hunt, the Fizzy Potion. It looks like it's pretty easy to make. Nothing special with it. I don't know what you have to go and get in here. But it looks like there's some stuff in here to get anyways. I won't go through the whole thing and explain it all. I don't want to spoil it for anybody. But that's that. Okay, and next we have these are our Monster Lord cards. And on here we have a Bone Mason. So I'm assuming that's what that skeleton is supposed to be, is a Bone Mason. And there is the front of that. And there's the back with all the stats, which I know you guys can't see. And I'm not going to give away all the secrets. And then after that we have it looks like a tiny little card of the Bone Mason. If I can get this thing out. That's that. It's got an empty record sheet on the back. Gosh, I'm hoping that's going to show up on the computer. But we've gotten cards like this before, but not with the picture on it. It just had the things where you could put your stats and everything else. It's got a little bend thing here. The AC is 13, hit points are 26. I know there's more to it, but I'm not going to get all into that right now. Okay, next we have our adventure cards, and these are the Mastery of the Hunt cards. And the first one is MourneWater Manor. So that's that. Our next one is the laboratory, however you want to pronounce it. And the last final card is the Mason's Tower. So that's that. I'm looking at these cards and I'm just curious if, okay, this card has something to do with the laboratory. So that's where that ties into that. And then next we have another adventure. This is a level 5 adventure, 5th edition fantasy number 17, Secrets of the Mist Cutter Isle. And that's what that looks like there. It's a $10 value on the back. It says $9.99. It is 28 pages. I'm sure this thing is in black and white. Normally their books are. Let's see if we have any decent looking things. It looks like we have a map of the island. Or isle, whatever you want to call it. We got some sea monsters. Got ourselves some maps. What else? Come on, let's go. Some more artwork there. Anything else worthy in here? Let's see, let's see. There's a trap on here on the top. It's actually a stair roller trap. That's quite interesting. I kind of like that. Throw that at your PCs. Here's another map. There's quite a bit of maps in this thing, which is a good thing. It's always good to have your party go through a whole bunch of stuff before they get to the end. And that looks about it, guys. It talks a little bit about some monsters in here and everything else, but that's it. And then we got our pick and pluck foam. Nothing special underneath it, like normal. You know what? It looks like we got everything. We got our t-shirt. We got the Secrets of the Mist Cutter Isle. We have our adventure card, our recipe card, our premium metal figure, and our Mastery of the Hunt cards. I'm going to have to go and check out their download page on RPGCrate.com and see if they've updated anything. They haven't done anything since Season 1 with that, so I don't know if anything's ever going to happen. But this isn't a bad set. It's a little skeleton guy. I guess he's supposed to be a, what do they call it? A bone mason. I'm assuming that's what that's supposed to represent. But this will go good with my skeleton collection anyways. So, you know, it's not a bad set. This shirt's nice. You know, you get your normal stuff. It's nothing quite special this time around. And I think I'm going to give this one a B. Oh! So that's it, guys. And remember to ring that like button like a hunchback. Until next time, guys.